Hello there. Welcome to Pente Stories. Running a business that's been around for over 5 decades takes a lot of heart and even more resilience. And that's exactly what defines this Indiana insurance agency, a trusted team that's been protecting families for more than 50 years. Their promise has always been simple: protect what matters most. Homes, vehicles, families, all safeguarded by a team that truly cares. But lately, that promise was getting harder to keep. The insurance market started tightening, premiums rose fast, insurers withdrew, and wildfire risks added new pressure. Suddenly, the phones were ringing nonstop. Agents were spending hours comparing policies, checking renewals, and trying to explain price increases they didn't cause, all while carrying the emotional weight of frustrated clients. It wasn't just stressful, it was unsustainable. Each call became a negotiation about price instead of a conversation about protection. One account manager even said he was losing 5 clients every week. And yet, through that chaos, the team never abandoned their mission. They just needed a way to work smarter, not harder. That's when they turned to AI. By using AI-powered tools to automate policy reviews and surface key insights, like which clients faced premium increases, which policies had missing coverages, and where savings could be found, something shifted. Suddenly, agents no longer had to dig through endless portals or juggle screens while a client waited on hold. They had clear answers instantly. And the change was immediate. Clients who used to call angry now called informed. Agents began reaching out proactively before renewals, explaining changes clearly, and even finding new ways to help. Conversations moved from reactive to reassuring, from firefighting to relationship building. Within months, cancellations dropped sharply. One agent who used to lose 5 clients a week said, "Now I'm not losing any." Response times improved tenfold, and each broker saved up to 240 client cancellations a year. Outreach multiplied 5 times over. But the real story isn't in the numbers, it's in the people. For the first time in years, the team felt calm. The stress lifted. They could finally focus on what mattered most, their clients. AI didn't replace their jobs, it renewed their purpose. It turned frustration into focus, burnout into balance, and a struggling business cycle into one that thrives again on relationships, trust, and care. And that's the story of this Indiana insurance agency. Proof that even in one of the toughest markets, the right use of technology can bring the human touch back to business.